Hey guys, this is the Investors Channel, and in case you haven't already heard what's happening with Boeing, it's not good news. The 737 MAX are in suspension for a whole year because of all the crashes associated with it, and during the crashes, 346 people died, and the FAA has put the 737 MAX in suspension until all the problems are fixed. All the safety issues. So, needless to say, this gives Boeing's competitor, Airbus, an advantage for a while. I mean, Boeing is still like one of the top airplane producers. So is Airbus, is still one of the top airplane producers. And Airbus said its quarterly profit increased more than fivefold driven by a raise in jetliner deliveries that positions the European aircraft maker to overtake Boeing this year as number one in the industry. Yep, so Airbus can really catch up. Even if Airbus becomes number one, then Boeing will probably still be number two. Also, guys, Airbus delivered 389 planes in the first half, up to 28% from a year earlier, and needs to deliver about 500 jets. But it increases delivery by 28% because of the incident that happened with Boeing. Now, Airbus did make a plane similar to the 737s, and it sold out, which is, well, great for them. Furthermore, Airbus reported net profits of 1.16 billion euros, which is about $1.29 billion, in the second quarter. And sales have climbed 23% to 18.32 billion euros. Okay, so now it must be obvious that people are more bullish on Airbus than Boeing. However, I would not recommend Airbus just yet. If you want to put it on your watch list, that's fine. But you should definitely put Boeing on your watch list then. You see, Airbus's PE ratio is way too high at around 26 or 27. However, Boeing's PE ratio is around 40. But I've added the stock to my watch list, and if it falls down to a great price, then I'll recommend it. However, I must note, even though it has fallen down by $100 already, it is not yet a bargain. So they do have a great dividend, and I am keeping it on my watch list. If it goes down to a great level, I'll let you guys know, and I'll recommend the stock, and I'll get in myself too. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think of Airbus and Boeing. If you like this video, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe with bell notifications so you never miss out on another video, comment letting me know if you have any questions or concerns, and share. Once again, this is the Investors Channel.